Westermans here with a welding positioner, which is a Romar 5,000 kilo positioner with pendant control. Machine will be sold as is or as seen, or will be fully serviced to order. The machine is actually 2 quadrants as opposed to the standard one on a 5-ton positioner. In the past we've seen these machines working weights of up to 7,000 kilos, but the legal limit is 5,000 kilos. Machine is 3-phase. On there we have a variable speed, also tilt up and down. Machine is obviously functioning as it is now. The tabletop is in good condition, just needs the extra bits unbolting and removing. More welding positioners in stock and can be seen at westermans.com. I'll just get down to the horizontal position. Earthing on these will be 600 to 800 amps. A little bit more on that, I think. There's the limit switch. More details available on westermans.com on this machine. I've actually got the tape measure. We'll just see the actual diameter of the faceplate, but the diameter appears to be approximately 1500 in diameter. Like I say, more details available westermans.com, and welding positioners from 50 kilos up to 10,000 kilos or 20,000 kilos, depending on what we have in stock at the time. Thank you for looking.